I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so changes persist. Open Start and type Windows Security, then press Enter to launch it. Once done, check which protections are active, virus and threat protection, account protection, so you know what to disable. Make sure to save files and close heavy apps before proceeding, because some changes trigger scans or restarts. Now, go to the main app window and be ready to turn off specific shields step by step. This avoids accidental exposure. You'll now disable the specific protections you identified, open Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and toggle Real-Time Protection off. This stops active scanning temporarily. Next, go to Firewall and Network Protection and choose the active profile. Toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off only for troubleshooting. Then visit App and Browser Control and switch off protections or set warnings to audit mode. As you work, note why you disable each item. You finish by confirming every change in the Windows Security Center and restarting the PC if a prompt appears. This ensures settings apply. If you need a persistent disable across restarts, use group policy or the registry only if you understand the risks. Make a backup first. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If something breaks or performance drops, promptly re-enable protections and run System File Checker and DISM to repair system components. This usually resolves side effects from toggling security features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.